All right, let's talk about this ad here from Glow Aesthetic Center. It says, not sad, just need lip filler. Then we have the phone number to book an appointment and then some hashtags. And the headline is Glow Aesthetic Center. All right, so we've got an ad that's short and it's cute, yeah. And this is kind of the playful tone that works great on Instagram, TikTok, or Reels. But if you're running this as an ad, you want to use this to actually book appointments. And so here's what's missing. There's no offer, right? What's the price, the package, the first time deal? There's no urgency. Why now? What's at stake? There's no transformation, right? Why does the client get emotionally or visually, right? What do they get emotionally or visually? There's no call to action, right? Just a phone number, which in 2025 might as well be a fax, right? Right now, this ad is coasting on cuteness, right? But it doesn't really convert, right? Cuteness doesn't convert without clarity. So we're gonna take this ad from a vibe to a high converting offer that actually books clients who are tired of thin lips, not just scrolling for memes. So we're gonna use a $97 ad rewrite playbook to take this from an aesthetic vibe to a revenue generating ad. So let's take a screenshot of this ad here. I'm only focusing on the copy here and the headline, not going to focus on the video at all. So let me go ahead and drop the image in here. And let's make this smaller. Alrighty. So let's start with the copy. All right, so we're going to call out the local area and the insecurity that they're currently facing, right? This makes it feel hyper relevant. So, hey, Encino, still overlining your lips every day. Skip the liner. Go straight to volume with lip filler at Glow. All right. So again, we called out the local area and the insecurity in that first line. We're now offering the fix in plain English without sounding clinical. Subtle boost, smooth shape, and that plush, pillowy look you love. Right, this paints the result visually and emotionally. All treatments by certified aesthetic pros who know just enough is just right. Right, we built trust by focusing on the injector, not just the product. Our most requested filler service for a reason, right? So we hint at popularity without needing a stat. Only we'll say only 7 spots left this month for new clients, right? This gives them a reason to act now. You'll walk out with lips you can't stop smiling about. Don't just talk features, right? Talk how it feels after. Includes full consult to tailor your perfect pout. Right. This line's optional, but it adds a little more pull. And the next step is an easy and socially native call to action. So we're going to say comment plump. And we'll DM you the link to book. Then we're going to end with signature sign off. So we'll say Glow Aesthetic Center. And then for our headlines, we're going to have Encino's #1 lip filler deal, and then get lips you love. All right, so let's review the ad copy. It says, hey Encino, still overlining your lips every day. Skip the liner, go straight to volume with lip filler at Glow. Subtle boost, smooth shape, and that plush, pillowy look you love. All treatments by certified aesthetic pros who know just enough is just right. Our most requested filler service for a reason. Only 7 spots left this month for new clients. You'll walk out with lips you can't stop smiling about. Includes full consult to tailor your perfect pout. Comment plump and we'll DM you the link to book. A Glow Aesthetic Center. And the headlines are Encino's #1 lip filler deal. Get lips you love. All right, this rewrite turns a vague vibe-based caption into a high-converting local ad. We've added a clear offer, urgency, a sensory language, emotional payoff, and a native call to action, right? And now instead of scrolling past a wink emoji, right, potential clients get hooked, right, hyped, and handed away to book in seconds. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.